Yeah,
How you doing?
I'm
Welcome to my place.
fine. Welcome to one of our clients' home, and we're here to get this customer experience. Hi, Mr. James. How are you
Oh,
doing?
I'm doing well.
So
Nice
lovely
to
to
have
be
you
here
here.
with you today.
Same.
So we installed your inverter last year.
Yes, that's
We're here to
correct.
get customer experience. How has it been so far? So in
Okay.
3 words, can you describe what your experience has been using the inverter system and
Okay.
our service?
It's been, for me, since I did it, it has helped me a lot. You know, like in Nigeria right now, the rate is quite high with the NEPA and all of that. So the inverter quite helped me a lot. And it's very good. Like during the day, I just have light. It's very conducive for me. I even use one of the AC sometimes. So it depends on whatever I'm doing or wherever I am at a certain point. So it's been really good. I really enjoying it.
So in 3 words, describe your experience working with us.
Great service. I
Okay.
think they have a great service, great relation too.
Okay.
And what should be the last one? It's been great for real. Yeah.
Okay, great
Yeah.
service. Okay, so I mean, you could have chosen any other solar company. Why us? Why Solar Power Solutions?
Okay. Yeah. I would just say it's because of my brother. My brother worked for the company before, so he really put in a good words. Oh, this is my boss. Like James, you should definitely do with them because I can assure you, like at least it's more like a family thing. Like, yeah, if anything happens, like they always like come rushing to fix things. So with good management, you know, stuff like that. So it's been really good.
Okay,
Yeah.
how would you rate our communication? You know, the entire process. Would you say the team has been responsive from the initial consultation up until post installation?
Oh, very, very responsive. Very, very responsive. Like it's not like when you call, you know, some company you call them, they're like, oh, 1 week plus, this kind of thing. Quite kind of be busy, but like when I make calls and throw, they always like there for me. Like they answer at like often, like all the time. Like they are very responsiveness. Yeah, I would give them like if it's a 1 to 100,
Yeah.
probably 100 for sure.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So flashback to when we installed your inverter system last year. How would you rate on a scale of 1 to 10? How would you rate the professionalism of our team on site?
Oh, very professional, clean, which I like. 'Cause
Okay.
my place is clean. I like people that comes clean. You know. Yeah, they just do the work very diligent. Like, you know, sometimes some people do some work and everywhere is kind of messy and they go like, but everywhere was like they didn't do anything, but they actually did something. Yeah, so it's very good.
Okay. So how would you rate how we handled your property? You know, during the stage of installation, there's the moving from here to there. Where we're going to place the inverter
I would say
system.
great too, 100%. Like it was really good. It was really good.
I take it that-
good
okay.
management. Yeah.
Nice. So I take it that because I was going to ask.
Yeah.
Would you look at your inverter system and be like, I got value for my money? Because you know that sometimes along the line, some people just look at you and they're like,
Yeah.
I think I just wasted money buying this thing.
Oh, it was great value. It has really helped me a lot. I think before, when they have not installed it, I was spending over like 750,000 monthly.
Are you serious?
For light? Yeah. So,
And what?
on A1, but the rate is like 348 to be, yeah. So since then, it has now reduced up to like 300, 400.
Wow. Okay.
So that's like almost like 40% reduction.
Yeah.
So it's been very good. It's been very, very good. Yeah.
Nice. Really nice. How has your experience been before the installation of your, basically in regards to power?
Yeah.
When it was just NEPA and
So before and after?
generator, yeah, before and after.
Like
how
I've said,
how
like
has it
it's-
affected your daily? You know,
it has really helped a lot because even sometimes we have blackout. Forget the band A. Sometimes we have blackout.
Yeah.
So that just take us through anytime, anywhere. The next day, take us through again. Even if it's like 5 days without blackout, I still have lights because of the inverter. So it's very good. It's very good. I really enjoy the service. It's very, very good.
Thank you.
Oh, thank
Is there
you.
anything we could have done differently to improve
No,
your
not-
experience with us?
For the moment, no.
Okay, would you
I
like
think I'm
us-
okay.
Okay.
Oh,
Is there
wait,
anything you'd like for us to add in our future installations?
I can't think of anything right now.
Okay.
But so far, I'm just satisfied with everything.
Okay.
Yeah,
So-
sorry about the cat. First time.
Hmm.
I'm sorry.
Generally, What else would you like to share with us?
So generally, it's been a good experience. It's been a good experience. Let's just say we have had like customer relation with the company for a long time, for a long while. So because due to my brother and everything, so I really enjoy it so far. So like, I'm really glad my brother like recommended this. At least it's easier, you know. It's easier. I can just reach out to like the company and all of that. Yeah, so I love it.
So you'll be
So far, it's
recommending
great.
us?
Definitely. I'll recommend for sure to my friends, even companies, you know, like, yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So it's been a great chat with
Oh, yeah.
Mr. James. Thank you so much for granting us
Yeah,
this
thank you.
feedback. It means a lot to us.
Okay.
Catch you guys. Bye.